Roblox Error 256 is a common issue primarily affecting users of Roblox Studio, the platform's game development tool. It occurs when the software fails to create a necessary directory during actions like publishing a game, saving a project, or opening files. This error typically presents as failed to create directory, error 256, or similar messages. The root cause is usually related to client-side permissions or file system issues, rather than a problem with Roblox's servers. Common reasons for the error include insufficient user permissions, interference from antivirus software quarantining Roblox executables or blocking directory creation, corrupted temporary files, or system compatibility problems, especially on Windows 10 and 11. This error has been acknowledged by Roblox in community updates, but there is no official patch available, with solutions relying on user-side troubleshooting. First, try running Roblox Studio as an administrator to bypass permission restrictions. Right-click the Roblox Studio icon and select Run as Administrator. Temporarily disabling your antivirus software can help determine if it's interfering with Roblox Studio. Remember to re-enable it afterward. Clearing temporary files by deleting the contents of the sent temp, sent, and sent local app data temp folders can resolve issues caused by corrupted files. Reinstalling Roblox Studio after uninstalling it from the control panel can provide a fresh installation and resolve the error. Ensure your operating system is up to date and consider running Studio in compatibility mode for older versions. For advanced troubleshooting, use tools like Process Monitor to log file access failures or examine Roblox's logs and sent local app data Roblox logs. If the problem persists, contacting Roblox support with the collected logs is recommended. These methods should help resolve Error 256 in Roblox Studio. Start with the simpler fixes first.